34 other various speakers.
Okay. Did you build this?
My buddy did most of it.
Okay.
He did all the fit and finish.
Nice.
So.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
About 36 hertz.
36.
The
Okay.
box.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Can I come in? How you doing, sir?
What's up?
My name is Jacob Viral.
Nice to meet you.
I do demo videos on YouTube.
Alright.
I like your build. Could you give me a rundown real quick what you got?
It's 4 DDZ 415s.
Okay.
On 4 ZZ DDSS 4Bs.
Okay.
And I got 34 other various speakers.
Okay. Did you build this?
My buddy did most of it.
Okay.
He did all the fit and finish.
Nice.
So.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
About 36 hertz.
36,
The
okay.
box is a little big.
It is.
We finished at like 3:30 in the morning the other night,
Okay.
so.
Got it ready for the show, though.
The tune's a little off, but
It is? Okay.
it's got to get a little smaller, the box.
Yes, sir. Shrink the box, get a little, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. Nice.
This one's, the port's so short,
Uh-huh.
this one's not building the pressure to keep it out, which is causing this one to go straight and this one to suck in.
Got it. Oh, so you got them out of phase too.
Yeah.
Got it.
They're not out of phase.
Thank you.
It's actually just
Just the way
this one's not building, it's losing its pressure.
Okay.
And then the other ones are kind of,
Wow.
or it's in the amp, one of the
Yeah.
other. So we'll
Appreciate
see.
it. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah,
Is the
thank
amps
you.
open in the back? Can I see it?
Yeah, I can show you.
Thank you very much. Woo.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021 TDH show. I did notice that he just finished the build for this show. I don't know if he has this system anymore. This was in 2021, but really impressive system. If you notice, he has a driver port right behind his seat. He said he had some more tuning to do on the box, but it's really impressive. All that pressure is going on the passenger me, and I'm sure it's doing over a 160 dB when he turns it up on music. This is the subwoofer that it looks like inside of this box. I didn't get to be able to see inside the box because it is hidden. And these are the amplifiers. These are probably the biggest DD audio amps I've ever seen, rated at over 10,000 watts RMS in the 14 volt range. I figured I'd show you all that spec because you can kind of see a perspective of what it showed on their website. And these subs were called the Unicorn of Subwoofers. These Neos, I think they're Neo subwoofers. Maybe somebody could comment some feedback on what you think these style subs are. I'm pretty sure they're Neo subwoofers. And they're rated at 6,000 watts RMS. That's right. These subs are rated at 6,000 watts RMS. Impressive. So we're going to get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos and enjoy this insane demo.
chopper. And I'm ready to air it out. She hit me on FaceTime.
Peak's high, but the subs are unloading, I guess, because the box needs to be shrunk probably like a cube of sub or something.
Yeah, because the port's so short, this one's not building the pressure to keep it out, which is causing this one to go straight and this one to suck in.
Got it. Oh, so you got them out of phase too.
Yeah,
got it.
They're not out of phase.
Thank you.
It's actually just this one's not building, it's losing its pressure. Okay. And then the other ones are kind of, wow. Or it's in the amp, one of the others. So
appreciate it. Thank you for showing me. Thank you very much. Woo. Thank you for the demo. Wow.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.